Okay, students, since you have already learned about the fill in the blanks, then true and false, and you remember the following. Now we have the question number D. Answer the following questions. So here I have given you some of the answers. So kindly you look on the blackboard and then you write the answers. So this is the answer number one. What is the question? Answer number one is actually having the questions. So here question number one. What does the word environment mean? So here the question is asking to you, what does the word environment mean? And so the answer is here, the environment means the surroundings in which a person, animal or plant exists. Okay? So this one you have to learn. So this is the question number one, answer. So you look and pause the video and then you write the answers. Second questions. What the question is asking to us, what does natural environment means? This is what does natural environment, or what is the natural environment? So what is natural environment? So the answer is here on the board. You can see the earth surface, rivers, mountains, deserts, land, water, oceans, volcanoes, etc. come under the natural environment. So in other words, natural environment comprises physical and biological elements of you. Okay. So this is question number two, answers. So you can write these answers. Pause the video and then you write it. Third question is what is asking to us. That is what is biosphere? What is biosphere? Now we have already learned in the class that the biosphere in fact has got a big concept to us, so we should know about it. So here in a short way I have written for you to the answers, so you can look at the board and then you can understand. So the atmosphere, what does the atmosphere, or what is the atmosphere? Now the narrow zone where the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet and interact is called biosphere. So very short answer. You can look at the book. It is from the book itself. So I have written it down. So you from the book you can get it also. Okay. Then again, question number 4. What I actually asking here. What is the lithosphere important, or why is the lithosphere is important? Why lithosphere is important? Now we have got answer over here. So look on the board and see. The lithosphere is important because, or lithosphere is important to us because, number one point, it consists of rocks and minerals for us to use. Then second point, it provides land for building houses, roads, factories and soil for agriculture. So these are the 2 points perhaps you can write on your copy. Okay, so is it clear now? So you look at this particular board and then you write down. You say all these 4 answers. Then one more question is left. That is what is the importance of the atmosphere? What is the importance of atmosphere? So here I am going to write another question. So I write question number 1. So the last questions of this question number D is asking, what is the importance of the atmosphere? Why is it important to us? Okay, so must write down. Now the atmosphere is important to us the atmosphere is important to us. We can write number 1 point. Okay. Here what number point is number 1 point is asking. The reason we have to write. Nitrogen is essential to maintain the fertility of soil. Nitrogen is important important. Okay, we can wrap this way. Remember that nitrogen is essential, right? Essential to maintain what is asking about? Maintain the fertility of soil. Fertility of soil. So this is the number 1 point. 2 point, or number 2 point, what is asking? Oxygen is necessary for the survival of the human being. So we should know. Oxygen is necessary for the survival of human beings. So there is a point number 2. I wrap the number 2 questions. Number 3 points. Number 3 points here. Carbon dioxide is necessary. Carbon dioxide is necessary. For the survival of plants. Okay, so carbon dioxide is also part of our life, especially the plants actually absorbing it. Then ozone protects us. Ozone protects us from the ultraviolet rays of sun. Rays of the sun. So you can write these few points. It means 4 points you have got with you, especially the question number 5. Question number 5 is asking what is the importance of the atmosphere. So the atmosphere is important to us. On the following points we have written on the following ways. So number 1, nitrogen is essential to maintain the fertility. Okay, the fertility of soil. So you know nitrogen is we are getting in a large quantity in the atmosphere. So nitrogen essential for the maintain the fertility of the soil. So soil fertility is very important. Therefore, to grow the crops and all. So we have to take care of that. Second one, oxygen is necessary for the survival of human beings. So oxygen also part of our life, which is very essential. Third point, carbon dioxide is necessary for the survival of plants. So here oxygen makes us to survive and carbon dioxide from the plants. Fourth point, ozone protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. It means all the gases in fact are very much helpful one way or the other to everyone else. That's why when anything is becoming imbalanced, then it will create a kind of like a havoc for the life to survive in the world. So we have to really take care of that. Alright, so these are the few answers that you have to write on your copy. Next we have got the question number E. Answer the questions in detail. So number 1, describe the domains of the earth on a 1 or 2 sentences. Now you must remember domain. So I will suggest you to look at the page number 106. So page number 106, there is given the subheading. Sorry, the heading is given natural environment, and under this natural environment you will see that there are 4 points are given. See, it is written this way. They together make up the following 4 domains in the realms of the earth. Now you must remember natural environment actually is very essential. It's combining the everything, and then we are a part of this natural environment. So number 1 point is given, 1 domain, especially the following 4 domains are actually mentioned here. So number 1 is a lithosphere. So you have to write on lithosphere 2 points. From this paragraph you pick up and write down the 2 points. Okay, page number 106. Next one is a hydrosphere. So from this hydrosphere, pick up the 2 very important points. Then atmosphere. Atmosphere, from there also you pick up the 2 points, and then the 4th one is a biosphere. So from the biosphere, pick up the 2 points and then make it the answers of question number E1. Okay, so that is about the answer. Okay, next we have got the question number E2. E2 is a, what does the question actually referring to us or asking us? What do you understand by human environment? What do you understand by human environment? So human environment, page number 108. Page number 108. So look at the page number 108 of your geography chapter 1. Here it is written about the human environment. So I would suggest you to pick up the 5 points from this 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraph is there. So from this 4 paragraphs, you pick up the 5 points, and then you make the answers very suitably. Okay, and then compose properly, and you will make the answers very suitable. Okay, so these are the few questions that I will today in today's class I will be referring to. So okay, so it's clear now. Hope you are understanding. So you write all of you very nicely. In the WhatsApp, I will be sending you this question number D, especially the photocopy of this one. So you write from there, and if possible, you can write from this class as well. Okay. So thank you, and have a great day ahead. So I look for you that you will be writing your notes, and you will be studying hard for the exams. Okay, especially the forthcoming exams now. Okay. So thank you, and have a great day ahead.